In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your recurring revenue with HubSpot. Understanding how to monitor your recurring revenue is crucial for any business aiming for sustainable growth, and HubSpot makes this process efficient and straightforward. Let's walk through the setup to help you get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the HubSpot website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to access your account. Look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll find the login button. Go ahead and click on it. If you've previously set up your HubSpot account with Google, it will be convenient to click on Sign in with Google. This option simplifies the login process since you can choose your Google account without having to remember separate login details for HubSpot. Select your account and you'll be directed to your HubSpot dashboard. Now that you're logged in, it's time to move into the settings. Direct your attention to the top navigation menu and find the link directing you to Settings. Clicking this will open up a wealth of options that we will explore next. Once inside the settings, your focus should shift to the left panel of options. Here, you will see an Objects drop-down menu, which is where we need to go. This section allows you to manage fundamental aspects of your HubSpot setup, so click on it to reveal more options. Among these options is one labeled Deals. Go ahead and click on Deals. This area of HubSpot is key as it manages your interactions, transactions, and importantly for us, your recurring revenue settings. Next, within this menu, you'll come across a section titled Default Deal Amount. Clicking here will allow us to make specific adjustments to reflect recurring revenue, which is our ultimate goal today. In this section, you will find an option called Monthly Recurring Revenue. Go ahead and choose that. By selecting Monthly Recurring Revenue, HubSpot will start focusing on this metric, allowing you to better monitor your business's ongoing financial health. That's it. You've now successfully configured HubSpot to track your monthly recurring revenue, which is a crucial metric for any subscription-based business model. This setup will help you keep a close eye on your revenue stream and aid in making informed business decisions. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to comment below or check out additional resources provided by HubSpot. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and insights.